Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add passwords to Google Password Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now you can tap on your Google account if you have more than one and select the one that you wish to use. When you're ready, tap on Autofill, then Autofill with Google and Passwords. If you never added a password before, click on this gear at the top right corner and click on gray switcher next to Offer to save passwords. Then log in to one of your apps and click on Save. Now you can finally click on this plus next to Search Passwords to add them from here. Enter site data or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. I will go with Facebook. Over here you need to enter all of those informations like username or email, password, and some notes. Then, to save it, hit Save at the top right corner. So now when I go back and try to log in to Facebook app, I can see that my password was successfully saved. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!